Okay, guys, me and Macy are gonna do a little haul and taste test for you guys. Went to this place in Utah. It's called Rocket Fizz. So yeah.
First snack. Garlic baguette sun chips. Go.
Okay.
Calm.
Wow. Very, very demure. Very calm.
Very demure.
I don't think I can eat them all the time though. Next, we are trying the pineapple with chamoy cotton candy.
You know Joe loves her cotton candy. Olympians eat cotton candy. Go.
That's not good. Stop it. Stop it.
For Oklahoma on beam.
Yes, Maddie. Yes. She had like a Q-tip worth.
Bringing sweet and sour.
Warhead sour pickle. Okay, go. Don't taste it until I bite it.
Oh my gosh. My jaw. I'm not bad.
It tastes like kind of like a normal pickle.
Yeah, I don't understand the sour part to it.
We're reading it to see if it has nuts in it. No, because it says wheat, eggs, milk, and soybeans.
Yeah,
They would have put it in there.
Okay. So we are eating, we don't know, it's not in English.
Oreos with Tashi Wasta.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. So there's like strawberry flavored.
And you know,
It's
Joe's
giving
gonna love
whoopie
these
pie.
because she's an anime freak. Go.
Sure they're not complaining. Oh, hello. That's cool.
It's a little saucy.
Your eyes will stay jumping.
It's like strawberry and cream. Or chocolate and strawberry.
That was nasty. Not it. This is what I deal with every day.
These ice cream cones.
Ah! Not in English again. So we have strawberry, chocolate, or vanilla. Wow. Okay, here we go. I got vanilla, she got chocolate. What are they? We don't know. Oh, it gives one of those,
Wafers?
yeah. But the stick ones?
They're not. They're good.
10 recommend.
Game time.